Hello friends, welcome to Devil's World Recipes. Today, we bring you a very special and delicious Asian dish. We're going to prepare some Vietnamese Spring Rolls, also known as Goi Cuon. These are the same ones that you order when you go to the pho restaurant, and everybody loves them. The history behind these, they were born in southern Vietnam, even though they have roots in China, and it is believed that they were made so the fishermen could travel with their food. Also, there's other legends that these were prepared for royal banquets, and the Vietnamese started using their own rice paper, the vermicelli noodles, and whatever vegetables they had. There are many variations depending on what area of Vietnam you are, but we're gonna make a very basic one, and I think you're gonna love it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need is rice paper, 4 ounces of vermicelli rice noodles, 1 fresh romaine lettuce, 3 carrots, 12 ounces of shrimp, half a bunch of cilantro, half a cup of peanut butter, 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of water. First, we're going to start preparing our veggies. We're going to chop the edges of our carrots, and then we're going to peel the skin. Once peeled, my peeler can cut them into juliennes, and we're going to do this with all our carrots. Now, we're going to put in a pot with boiling water our vermicelli. This is like angel hair, and they're rice noodles, and they cook real quick. We're only going to leave them in there for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2-3 minutes, we're going to pull them out. I'm going to put them in a colander, and then we're going to rinse them with cold water to stop the cooking process. Now in a pan, we're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, and we're going to heat it up. Now I'm going to press my garlic. We're going to cook it for a few seconds, and when it starts getting aromatic, then we're going to add our shrimp. We're going to cook our shrimp lightly, just to infuse them with the garlic flavor. It's only going to take a few minutes. Now we're going to prepare our peanut sauce. We're going to take our peanut butter, now we're going to add our soy sauce, our rice wine vinegar, our brown sugar. Now we're going to press our garlic, and lastly our sriracha. And we're going to start combining everything, and then to adjust the consistency, we're going to add a few tablespoons of water. The sauce is a little bit thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of water first, And I'm gonna be adding it until we adjust it to the consistency we like. Our garlic shrimp, our vermicelli, and our peanut sauce are ready. And before we prepare our spring rolls, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe that you would like us to try. And at the end of this video, don't forget to give us a like. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's finish our spring rolls. Now we're ready to prepare our spring rolls. First, we're going to take our rice paper and we're going to moisten it with some water until it becomes pliable and malleable. After a few seconds in the water, it's ready. You're going to feel it sticky. And now, first we're going to add our lettuce. We're going to be folding it like a burrito. Now we're going to add some of the vermicelli just to give it that chewy texture. We're going to add some carrots. Then a few leaves of cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can do it with parsley, but the original way is with cilantro. Then we're going to add our shrimp. We're not going to put it on top. As we roll it over, the shrimp are going to be on a separate layer. Now let's grab the edge, where all the vegetables and the vermicelli is. We're going to do the first roll. Then we're going to fold the edges in. And now on our second roll, that's going to be the second layer for our shrimp. Roll it again, keep going, and we have our first spring roll. Quick and easy, our Vietnamese spring rolls, or Goi Cuon, are ready with our peanut sauce. Let's try them. A little bit. Wow. That peanut sauce, sweet and tangy, the garlicky shrimp and the chewiness of the vermicelli combined with the freshness of all the veggies. It's a great combo. Very easy to make, especially for this summer. You should give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.